back to Simplify Mechanic. My name's Tom. Working on a 2019 Chevy Trax. Customer called, said he had a misfire.
Bunch of things came up here. What we care about really ECM. So let's go on there. Now we're going to scroll down to cylinder 1, current misfire counter, 0 count. Scroll down to cylinder 2, current misfire counter, 454. Keeps going up. So right now, cylinder 2, current misfire. Okay, you can tell the misfire is only on cylinder 2.
Right, so a lot of people would come out and they would change their spark plug or they would change the coil on number 2. And that's exactly what this customer did. It's still misfire. What I'm going to tell you is the turbo. This turbo has failed and misfire in cylinder 2 due to uneven pressure.
Put on the turbocharger here at the bottom. Command state, none. Let's go ahead and press one. All right, you see boost pressure status is 0. Turbocharger bypass solenoid valve command inactive. Right, the turbo's not working properly. Protection mode active. Desired boost undertaken.
So yeah, after doing our little diagnosis here, the only thing that's coming back having problems, turbo's not working properly.